Hi students. In this slide we're showing how to create redundant links between buildings when mapping out a data center. As you can see, we have 4 buildings. They're all linked together uh, through, I'm using single mode fiber. So they're all the buildings have a direct link to each other flowing, so data flows back and forth. But in order to have full redundancy, if one of these links fail, you want to make sure that data can still pass through from building to building. So what we put together here is redundant links. So as you can see, I have a link that links from each end building and then paths that come out from the middle buildings out to these modes. So this way, if any one of your main links fail, there's an alternate path. If this link were to fail here, there's an alternate path for this building to come out and make its way out to the end building and to the middle building. Um, in addition, if any of the middle buildings were to fail out, I have a redundant path that links to 2 data centers on either end. This provides a full mesh. It basically provides a path, an alternate path, if any one of these links should fail. This gives you full redundancy and allows for data to be able to be transferred regardless if any one of these links were to come down. As you can see in my estimate here, I have redundant building links. I have traffic shaping. So basically in the data centers, I've set it up. I will have set it up so that I tell the switches and the routers, the equipment that passes the information, what link I would like it to use primarily, and then what to do if any of the links fail, which path to then take. So that way it always knows, hey, this link stays, these outer links stay inactive unless one of these links fail. I could also, now that I have these set up, if I have these links set up, I could also use it for traffic shaping. If I have a certain amount of bandwidth that seems to always pass through this link and it uses up most of the bandwidth of this link between the manufacturing and sales. There's a lot of data going through this link. They keep talking to each other, right? I could then say, all right, well, if for the administrative to talk to sales and marketing, instead of going this path and then clogging up this pipe, which is already busy with traffic, why don't you come out here and use this path? And that way I can ensure that traffic is always flowing, that it's never hitting a choke point. That's what's important with redundant links. Obviously, these out here, I have armored fiber cabling instruction because I'm putting these outside. I'm digging trenches outside these buildings. So you want to make sure that the fiber optic cable that you're placing is resilient. But the main point of this slide is to show how one would set up redundant links so that for failover as well as for traffic shaping.